I'm applying for Japan visa today. It's currently 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. pa yung schedule ko. So, I got breakfast first. I ordered caramel macchiato and croissant. I forgot my mic today kasi I was rushing the whole morning. I'm still super sleepy, but I'm just gonna eat first. Why is it so cold lately? Di na nga ako nagstay sa loob kasi ang lamig. Tapos nalalamig pa din ako dito sa labas. It's 9:30 already, so I'm gonna walk towards the place. I'm also gonna rent the locker since bawal madaming dala dun sa loob. I just finished going to VFS and 11 a.m. na rin ako natapos kasi sobrang daming tao. Wala naman masyadong tanong since meron naman ako lahat ng documents na kailangan nila. So now, I'm just gonna wait for the results. 6 to 10 days daw. From my experience, gano'n naman talaga. And saktong 1 week lang last time. So I'll just wait for the results and i-update ko kayo. So see you on the next one. Bye!